Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about 5 things that you should never, ever tell your hairstylist. A lot of you really care about us and you want to be the right client. And I know that a lot of you are making the effort to show up to the salon, wanting to do all of the right things. So thank you. We appreciate you. Okay, number 1, asking for one layer. This one I don't really understand. I just don't understand. What do you mean you want one? There's no such thing as one layer. The layers are connected into the hair to allow it to move. So just asking for one layer is it's just a mystery to me. I don't know who came up with this. There's no such thing as 1 layer or 2 layers or 3 layers. You can ask for where you want the layers to start. Do you want them here? Do you wear glasses and you want your curtain bangs or the layers to start here and connected into the ends? Or do you want them to start at your cheekbone? Do you want them to start at the hollow of the cheek? Or are you someone who pulls your hair back? So you want to be able to pin them back? You can really customize layers, but there's no such thing as 1 layer or 2 layers. No. You don't want to say that to your stylist because it literally tells us nothing. Okay, number 2, you bring in pictures of what you don't want instead of what you do want. That just confuses us. That tells us nothing. Show us pictures of what you want. Bring in 3 pictures because that really gives us an idea of what you're thinking about, and it also gives you a little bit of homework to think about what you want for your haircut. You're paying premium pricing and you should be happy with your hair. We want you to love your hair. So number 3, this goes hand in hand with what I was just talking about. If you come in with no photos and you don't tell us what you like and you don't tell us what you don't like, and you say I don't know, but the only gauge that you have or the only point of reference that you have is that you didn't like your last haircut, that gives us red flags. Because if you didn't like your last haircut and you're still not being clear about what you want, that tells us that you just are not communicating and you're gonna waste your money. We're not gonna love the work that we're gonna do. So this kind of hesitancy makes us feel very insecure. It makes us feel like, well, I'm gonna do my best, but I feel like she or he are still not gonna like what I'm gonna do. It's a scary position to be in because the clock is ticking and we have clients, and now we're just wasting time going back and forth because you're not giving me anything to work with. So this goes hand in hand with, please do your homework, know what you want and what you don't want. If you still don't know what you want, then you should book more time with your stylist, because you can come in and say, look, I don't know what I want and I need your help in finding out what would look good on me. So your hairstylist can help guide you. Okay, this one is a big one. This happens a lot and I just really need to put it out there. Do not change your mind at the last minute. Most stylists are gonna book off an hour 15 for a haircut. At the end of the haircut, I've had clients say, oh, can we go shorter? Can you just shave the back? Can I get bangs? Or can you put in more layers? If you decide to change something massive at the end of your appointment, that is just please don't do that. That is just not fair. If you decide to change your mind last minute, you have to ask your stylist if they have time for that. Okay, finally, number 5, not letting us know that you have thick hair and only booking an hour haircut. If you have really thick hair and you try to squeeze yourself in an hour appointment because you don't have time or you have to go pick up the kids, please don't do that. Hair is art. Hair is a beautiful craft. I want you to love your hair. If you have really thick hair and you want a precision haircut like a pixie, or you're doing a big transformation like a bob, bobs are really difficult. Just let the salon reception know, or if you're booking directly with an independent stylist, let them know, hey, I have a ton of hair. How much time do you think I should book for? I hope that this video helped. Let me know in the comments if any of these resonate with you. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.